Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to fix fake nails at home. Let's begin. So start with trimming the nails to the shortest length. So here is the product. I have brought it from Amazon. So nails jar comes with 24 pieces, and here is the nail glue. So nails are made by plastic, you can see. Now I'm taking the fake acrylic nails, and right now I'm taking the glue of this kit and applying the glue on my natural nails. Then I'm applying the fake nails over my natural nails. I have used it before. I'm using it for second time. And hold this for 7 to 8 seconds. Then I'm using the ColorBurn nail polish. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully it will be helpful for you. This nail stays 6 to 8 hours. You can remove the nail polish also, and if you want, you can reuse it. These fake nails are very affordable. You can buy it from Amazon. I will put the links in the description box below. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.